name's RJ and I'm from NYTRO Ag Corp. This video we're going to discuss water quality and how to do it properly and why it's important. So you can see our water setup. You can see our green lightning nitrogen machine, right? So what we are actually doing here is we are running our water. Our inlet water is coming and it goes through a water softener first. Okay, the whole reason that you use the water softener is to help remove the cat ions from the water. So regardless of whether your water test comes back and says you need a softener or not, you need to put a softener in front of your RO machine. In doing so, it will remove the cations. In removing the cations, it allows the nitrogen molecules to fix better to the water molecules. It also allows for better plant uptake. Cations are large ions and they will not absorb into the plant effectively. It will actually inhibit plant absorption. So, water comes in, goes through the softener. From the softener, it will be going through an RO system. Now you can see the stainless steel RO system, which is hanging on the side of our machine. That is simply a Green Lightning provided onboard RO suitcase RO system, and it will work mostly well enough as long as your inlet TDS water isn't too bad. From there, what we have is we are actually putting it into a holding tank, and the reason for that is because we are actually running two machines right now, so we need to have a high volume holding tank to be able to do so. So we are running it into our holding tank, which is then taking it into a pressure tank. We need to use a pump to put it into our pressure tank. And then our pressure tank, from there, it will feed our Green Lightning machine. Now, important things to note. It is, you need to have, or you will want to have, about 30 psi of inlet water pressure. So to be able to do that, you need to have higher than 30 psi from your pressure tank. Okay, so it is important for accuracy of calibration as well as your volume and concentration to maintain a steady level of pressure going into the machine, which is why we have the pressure regulator and regulated at 30 psi. So to recap, water comes in, goes through the water softening system, which then feeds into the RO system, which cleans it right up, feeds it into our clean water, into our holding tank, and then it goes into our pressure tank. The pressure tank will then feed the Green Lightning system. Okay, so fun things to note is that we are actually achieving between 2 and 9 TDS of clean water. So very, very, very clean water coming out of our RO system. And we are making very good quality product, high TDS product with that. It is important to clean your water before it goes into the machine. It is important to pull the cat ions out before it goes through your water RO machine.